If you're struggling with your circulation, maybe you want to boost it, I've got 5 natural tips that are going to help with boosting circulation with varicose veins, spider veins, cold hands and feet. This video is for you. Okay, let's start with tip number 1, and that is to have some daily type of movement. So some form of exercise movement. I love things like walking, cycling, also great for that circulation, swimming, fantastic as well. And this is going to help to stimulate your blood flow, helping to strengthen the muscles that support your veins, especially in the legs. Okay, tip number 2 is to elevate your legs. So raising your legs above your heart level is ideally what you're doing and aiming for about 15 to 20 minutes of that leg elevation. I love to do this at the end of a long day. It really is restful at the same time. It helps to make sure that venous return of that blood comes back up to the heart, which is what you need when you have poor circulation. Okay, tip number 3 to boost your circulation is to make sure that you're properly hydrated. And eating a clean diet is going to go a long way. So focusing in on drinking enough water, of course, and making sure that you're adding in some electrolytes is going to be helpful here, and eating a whole food rich diet. So making sure you're getting enough of those omega-3s from fish and seafood, and those healthy fats are going to help to maintain your healthy blood viscosity and your vascular function, making sure, again, that that blood is pumping properly through your cardiovascular system. Okay, tip number 4 to boost that circulation is to try some cold or maybe contrasting showers. So alternating between and always starting with warm water and then switching over to that cool water as cold as you can stand it in your shower is going to help to stimulate those blood vessels to pump that blood more effectively and efficiently. That's going to help to improve your circulation and can help to tone those vein walls over time. You may want to try even a cold plunge to help to get that circulation going. Okay, tip number 5 is to try some herbal medicines. Now, my favorites have actually been proven. They have some science behind them in terms of being able to help to strengthen the vein walls, improving that venous circulation, include gotu kola, butcher's broom, horse chestnut, and the citrus bioflavonoids. These are diosmin and hesperidin. Now this comes from the white part, so from the pith of your citrus fruits. And this is a great way now to strengthen those vein walls, helping to boost that circulation, and the fact that they're all natural herbal medicines is fantastic as well. And I actually personally take them in combination with one another. Okay, so I talked a little bit about cold showers. Have you tried them? I want to hear about it in the comments, but I've got another video for you. So please check out this video, 10 reasons why cold showers are good for you. I'll see you there.